Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, we'll be learning about escape sequences. So in the last video, we saw that we can't use double quotes inside a double quotes or single quotes inside a single quotes. And if we will do the same, then we will be getting an error here. So let's make a new Python file here and try that how can we insert a double quotes inside a double quotes. So I'll be making my file touch escape.py. You can see that my new Python file is made and now I'll be opening it. So code escape.py. You can see that my escape.py file is open. So what I will be doing, I'll be writing print hello Python world. So if I will be running this file, then the interpreter will be showing an error like Python escape.py. Sorry, Python escape.py. So you can see that my interpreter is showing a syntax error here. So if I want to remove this error, what I will be doing, I will be going here and putting a backslash here and a backslash here. And now if I will try to run it, then you can see that no error is showing and the Python is printed inside double quotes. So what is this backslash double quote? So this backslash double quote is a escape sequence. So same like this backslash double quote, we can also do for backslash single quotes like print single quotes hello backslash single quotes G++ backslash single quotes word. And now if we will run it, Python escape.py, you can see that no syntax error is showing by the interpreter and our program is running perfectly. So now let's talk about other escape sequences. So other than these two, we have /n. So suppose you are printing two statements with different lines like print line 1, print line 2. Well, let's just comment the above two lines for the meantime. Okay. So let's run our program now. escape.py. So as you can see that my both print function is printing both statement in different lines. If I want to print these statement in different line, so why shouldn't I use only one single print statement? So for that we will be using /n. Like we'll be going here and we'll be removing this print statement and we'll be putting a \n after line 1 and then writing line 2. So let's run our program now. Python escape.py. Now you can see that we are using only one print statement. Still our line 1 and line 2 are printing in different lines. So now if I give a gap between /n and line 2 and then try to run it, then let's see what will our interpreter will be showing. You can see that we got a gap here. Okay, and this gap is because of this gap we have given here. So to remove this gap, we will be just removing this one and you can see that everything will come back to normal. Yeah. So now let's talk about /t. Let's first comment it here and write print /t software. and let's run this program now. So you can see that we got a huge gap between our Chapin and software. So this huge gap between Chapin and software is known as tab. So I hope you can understand what slash tab means. So now let's talk about double backslash. So you want to give a backslash in your print statement. So what you will be doing? You will be printing, hey, this is a backslash, and now if I will run it, then let's see what will happen. You can see that my print function is printing the backslash here, but if I will remove this backslash from here and put it at last, then let's see what will happen. You can see that our interpreter is showing an error, and this error is because this double quote is read by the interpreter as an escape sequence. So the interpreter is not finding the end of this double quote, and that is why it is showing an error here. So what we will be doing, we will be putting a backslash here again, and now if we will run it, then you can see that my backslash is printing like normally. So now let's talk about slash b. To be honest, I have never used this escape sequence in my coding life, but it is also an escape sequence. Therefore, I will be telling you about it. So slash b means backspace. Now suppose you have written print Chapin software. Suppose you have written Chapin software, but instead of double F, you have written triple F. So just go between this F and type backslash B, and then let's run our program and see what will happen. You can see that one F is removed by our slash B here. So I hope you have understood all the escape sequences here. That was all about this video. We'll be learning about escape sequences more in the next video. Thanks for watching. We'll be meeting soon.